Hi all, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to use the PBS learning site called Illuminating Photosynthesis. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the PBS learning link. You're going to click on it and you're going to look down here where it says Illuminating Photosynthesis. Going to give it a click. You're going to come up with this page that says click to enable Adobe Flash. We're going to click it. It may give you the option to either block or to allow it to run. You're going to hit allow. Takes a moment to load. And then you'll notice that there are three tabs up at the top. So the one we're going to be focusing on is going to be the cycle. Okay, so photosynthesis is a cycle. And remember that you learned that cycles are things that keep going, right? You can go into a cycle at any point and you end up back where you started because it goes around and around and around. And so I want you to keep that in mind as we're going through the photosynthesis one. And also when we start talking about cellular respiration in a couple of days. So we're going to click on the cycle. Now, this is what I want you to notice. So in your slide deck, you have to draw arrows. Where are you going to get those arrows? Well, you need to look up here at the key. The key is telling you what molecules are represented by what color. So the red dots are going to be carbon dioxide. You remember these are called chemical formulas. H2O is water. Water is going to be represented by a blue dot. And then oxygen gas is represented by a green dot. And when you click on them, you'll notice that different things happen. So here you have a shade. If you click it up, something happens. Okay, then you have water. And so you're going to click along these and you're going to answer the questions as you go through the section. All right, so the first thing you have to do is you have to draw arrows. Those arrows are going to be important when we're looking at where does the CO2 come from? Where does the water come from? Where does the oxygen gas come from? And how does light affect those molecules? All right, so go ahead and you can get started, work on your slide deck, and enjoy.